So, here at the factory, and it's kind of a big day. These pieces here are sections of the SeaPod. That was, these are the plug. So we have these, so they're actually pretty heavy, pretty thick. They were cut up. You'll see that there's layer of fiberglass, and then at the top there's gel coat and a material that's like a filler material that makes it, and then there's a nice, really smooth finish on top to make the molds. So these are and you can see at the back there's foam. So yeah, it's kind of a sad day, but a good day, because that means that this step of the process is done. Now things are going to start to move a lot faster. Some of the guys are still coming out with more parts. So we see, yeah, SeaPod is being disassembled, but that's an exciting time, because that means we're moving on to the next stage, which is actually making production of real SeaPods. So we see another one in the background here that hasn't been taken apart yet. I think I'd like to leave it there because it's nice. It's a nice backdrop to when I'm doing video conference calls. You can see that in the background, and I think it kind of looks nice. I don't know, maybe I'll keep a section and have all the workers sign it. I think that would be kind of a nice thing if we had a big section and had all the workers autograph it, because everyone's done a lot of work over the last year, basically making these big pieces. So pretty big milestone. So this is the SeaPod plug. We suspended it from the ceiling with a crane so it wouldn't fall apart, and we're cutting it into slices and breaking it up. So we're pretty close to having this all done. Should be done in about a couple more hours of work, so it's pretty close to the end of the day today. So we will finish this up tomorrow and get the job done. Hello. So yeah, you can see the foam on the underside. This was a lot of work. Spent thousands of hours on this. I'm glad it's done. We're going to have a lot more factory space. This space will be used to make the actual first SeaPod. So that was the hardest part of the whole job is done, which was making the molds. Now that that job is done, things are going to go a lot faster.
you.